welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, we are continuing our course, the medium.com course, part 24 of 30. And today we are going to be talking about how to self-promote your websites on your medium.com account. So my friends, your websites can be your blog, your personal blog, your main website, of course, then your social media accounts like Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, maybe perhaps Instagram, all sorts of your social media accounts. So the best way to do this, my friends, is many people, they just simply post links at the end of the article, each article, this is a good way, but my friends, this takes away the space where your referral membership, Medium referral membership, and your email subscription to Medium, you use that end space for that. Actually, this is what I'm doing, to be honest with you. I want to be my audience to focus on these two things and not on my social media accounts, links. For that, I use the about section, my friends, in my profile. The about section in my profile has my Twitter connected, and here you can see the membership link, and also a tap this social media website aggregation platform, taplink.cc. I'm using taplink.cc now, my friends. I used to be on the best on the most popular one, Linktree, but Linktree did something bad with me, my friends, and they stopped giving me SMS validation to my country, Pakistan. I couldn't log into my account. I had to delete the account, and there were so many issues that I had to switch over to Taplink. So now I'm using Taplink. It's also a free service. So if you open my Taplink, you can see my YouTube channel, my Medium blog, Reddit profile, noise.app application. It's also a social media website, my blog on Hive, and on my Twitter. I'll be updating more links over here as well. More links over here, like my Substack. It's very important. So you just simply edit your profile and add your social media aggregation website, whichever service you may use. There are tens and 20 plus websites that people use. You can use, of course, Linktree, because Linktree has a good analytics system. They will tell you that people from which places came and clicked on the link on your links and viewed your links and stuff like that. So this is how you promote your website links on your Medium profile. Thanks for watching, my friends, and stay tuned for part 25 coming right up. Take care, my friends.